Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 27 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And I have enjoyed this challenge so much. This is my second year doing this, and it has been so much fun, and we are over halfway through this year. And so our prompts for this week is something found in a garage. I've got this toolbox. An art scrap, I've got this jelly print that I did. A path or a road, I've got this path here. A flying insect, I've got this butterfly from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I may use some more too. A business card, I don't have a business card, but this is sort of like a faux business card. I've had this for years. This is also Shabby Dabby Doodah. She has some very nice stuff. And the bonus is something flat, and I'm going with this record. So I hope everybody's doing great. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP27 to see what everyone else has made. And without further ado, let's get started. Here's my finished project. I've got my something found in the garage. I've got my toolbox, my art scrap. I've got this jelly print, a path or a road, a flying insect. I've got my butterflies, a business card. I've got this faux business card, and the bonus is something flat, and I've got this record. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week, and until next time, bye y'all.